The topic of the lesson is concentrated interest versus dispersed or diffused interest. Each dot on this two-dimensional spectrum represents a student in one of my three classes. These results are consistent with previous classes, and the assumption is that these results are a microcosm of the general population of the United States. The position of the politicians is also depicted on this two-dimensional spectrum. These positions are based off information acquired from ontheissues.org. If both the positions of the general population and the politicians are accurately reflected, the larger question is, why do politicians seem to be pulled away from the center while much of the population identifies more with the moderate views? One answer may stem from how smaller groups are more organized and seem to exert more influence on the politicians. Let's first consider concentrated powers. These groups, such as political parties, Democrats and Republicans, special interest groups, political action committees, unions and corporations. These are small groups that have similar preferences, have similar knowledges, support the same candidates, and have a good understanding of the costs and benefits of the policies that they are promoting. Additionally, these small groups have a unified voice that is nice and loud and clear to the politician. Now let's take a look at the diffused interest of the general population. The interest of the general public is dispersed. These dispersed preferences, dispersed voices, knowledge, they support different candidates. They have mixed understandings of the costs and benefits of policies. Additionally, the general population is more prone to rational ignorance. It is also more difficult for this general population to organize itself as opposed to the smaller groups. A large group with a disorganized voice is not heard. The result is that smaller concentrated groups get beneficial policy and the general population as a whole gets slogans and a dispersed cost of the other policies.